Hold on. Restart. Go.
Welcome all TopHatPlusers. I'm going to throw a little survey out there for this video. If TopHatPlus should upgrade your rear brakes to a drum style brake. These disc brakes are just inefficient and they wear fast. Just a thought, throwing it out there. Get back to us. You want these gone?
Nope. Just leave them on.
Why? You're doing fat burnouts and shit with it now. Welcome back to another video. I'm very happy to announce that my car has returned to me. It took an extremely long amount of time. I'm going to make a more detailed video later. I just want everybody to know that the car is back. I'm going to be at the car meet tomorrow in Brampton, 10 to 12, and then we're doing a cruise up to the Forks of the Credit. But the car is back. It's fixed up 100%. It's in absolutely pristine running condition. I do have to go back down and get the rally stripes redone because those were not very well done, but we'll get more into that later. There's no front splitter, as you can tell. Gone. That's coming. Should be here Monday, Tuesday. There's no front license plate. Also gone. Waiting for the Stone Show to come in. And then I'm going to figure out some new vinyl stuff to do. They did offer to put back everything that I had on the car, but I didn't really feel like that was what I wanted. I felt like trying to recreate the crashed car wasn't really the best bet, so I'm just going to do something new. Screw it. New, better, different, fix it up. But they did a good job. Paint works really good. They did use all like authentic GM parts. Let's get me out of here so you guys can see the car. They used all GM parts. It's absolutely top notch. It looks brand new. The body lines are all really good. There's bugs on it, of course, because I am driving it around. As good as factory, at least. My only complaint, they did not clean underneath the hood. They did have the car detailed, and the detailer did an okay job for factory detail, but nothing too special or over the top. These are the same hood vents. A lot of that stuff all remained the same because it wasn't damaged. Oh, you guys have no idea how much I miss this car. And I didn't make a video for the first 2 and a bit days that I had it because I really wanted to get reacquainted. I just wanted some time to enjoy having my baby back. Yeah, see? Gotta love all that white dust. Nasty. But that could be cleaned. So that's about her. She's back together and back to 100%. Splitter will be going back on. I'll be making videos about that. They didn't put the Camaro logos on the fenders either. As you can tell, there's nothing there. I'm okay with that actually because they tend to just peel off and all the paint kind of goes to crap, so I wasn't going to put them on anyways. So that's it. We're now back in action. Camaro game, strong. I'm getting stronger. And as you can tell, for those of you who watched it, I peeled all the rims, took all the tire stickers off, cleaned up the look of the car, so we're back to almost stock. Just plus roof stripes, I guess, and then we're going to do the splitter, still got side skirts, pollen and dust, because, you know, gravel driveway life is what it is. So, more videos to come. Thank you everybody for your continued support and your support through this pretty awful experience. We'll talk more about the details and how much it costs to get fixed and all that kind of stuff later. It was an absolute mountain of money. Whew, was it ever a mountain of money? So we'll get into that later. Until next time, guys, take care, drive safe, behave as always.